And welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's little project is this cute little bear applique. Let me show you how it looks. So you will require some googly eyes or some buttons, or safety eyes is even fine. Some thread on a darning needle. And this is the perfect little project for some scrap yarn. So as long as you have some scrap yarn, you can easily make a bear face. So let's make it. You will start your round one with the magic circle, just like this. You will chain 3. Into your magic circle, please make 12 double crochets. Pull your magic ring and tighten it, and now you're going to make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet that you made. For round 2, chain 3. In each stitch across, you're going to make 2 double crochets. In each stitch, 2 double crochets right around your round. When you get to the end of row 2, slip stitch into your very first double crochet. This is round number 2. For round 3, chain 3, 2 double crochets in the first stitch, two double crochets in the next stitch, and then 2 double crochets in each and every stitch right around. When you get to the end of row 3, slip stitch into the very first double crochet. For row 4, chain 1, 1 slip stitch in each of the next 14 stitches. So that'll be 1, 2, once you've made your 14 slip stitches, please skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2. Into the next stitch, you are going to work 7 trebles. Remember, a treble is yarn over twice, so make 7 trebles into that space. Skip 2 stitches into your third stitch, 1 slip stitch. So that is the first ear that you've made. 1 slip stitch in each of the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 2 and make 7 trebles into the next stitch. So into the next stitch, 7 trebles after skipping 2. Once you have your 7 trebles, skip 2 stitches into the following stitch, 1 slip stitch. Now slip stitch all the way around until you come to your chain 1 that you made. you're going to cut your yarn and work your tail in, or slip stitch into your chain 1. That is completely your choice. Now you've made the face of your teddy. Now we're going to make the muzzle of the face for the nose to go on. So I'm going to use this dark red, and you'll start by making a magic ring again. Chain 3, and you're going to work 12 double crochets into your magic ring or your magic circle. Once you've made your 12 double crochets, slip stitch into the very first double crochet. That's round 1 done. For round 2, chain 1, and you're going to make 2 half a double crochets in the first stitch. In the next stitch, you're going to make 1 half a double crochet. So your repeat for this round is 2 half a double crochets in one stitch. The following stitch, 1 half a double crochet. You will continue to work in that manner around until you get to the end. When you get to the end of your row, slip stitch into your very first half double crochet. Snip your yarn, and now we can work this tail away quickly. Now that you've made the muzzle, let us make the nose part. So go through the center, I've just made a V that I'm filling. I'm just going to put one more across so you don't see the back so much. Just there, I think is fine. Right, so I've made the muzzle, and directly below, I'm just measuring this with my eye. Gonna go into that stitch. Go back into the middle. And I'm going to repeat this. and that's my nose part. I'm going to go to the back and make a knot, cut off. Right, bring my face back down here. So this is my nose. It goes about here, and some googly eyes, and that's all it's taken. So that's the one I've just made, and I will use some glue to glue it all in, or you can even stitch this down. If you're using buttons for eyes, you can stitch it down. So this is the gray one and the blue one. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is the Queen Phoenix saying peace out, and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy crocheting.